Do you know how to make simple chicken fry? Today we are going to try simple chicken fry recipe.
Without taking much time, we can make this chicken fry at home. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil. Add 1 finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 green chilli. Mix and saute well on low flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon fennel powder. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon Kasmiri red chilli powder. Mix well. Saute it for 2-3 minutes on low flame. Now add 500 gram chicken with bone. Mix well. Add 100 ml of water. Mix well. Close the lid. Cook for 20 minutes on low flame. Now open the lid. Add 2 teaspoon tomato sauce, 1/4 teaspoon soya sauce, half teaspoon pepper powder. Mix well. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Also add 2 tablespoons finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Now switch off the flame and remove it into a serving bowl. Our simple chicken fry is ready.
If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.